Hey guys, do you want a treat? Oh, I bet you do. I bet you want a treat. Okay, first off, let's see what's in here, okay? Crap. Hey guys, Scott here with the Illinois Prepper Channel, and today I'm teaching you guys how to make homemade dog treats. So, stick around, let's go ahead, let's do this. As you can see here, the basic ingredients for these dog treats is rather simple. Starting off on the left, we do have 2 cups of oats. Then we have 4 cups of whole wheat flour and a half a cup of peanut butter. All we're going to do is add this all in and mix it on up. Okay, as you can see, I already got the flour in the main bowl. All I'm going to do now is take my oats, go ahead and put them on in. And I just give this a little stir just to make sure that everything's a little bit mixed in before I do any other steps. Next thing that I like to do is go ahead and add 2.5 cups of warm water. Don't want it hot, don't want it cold, just enough so it can reconstitute some of the oats. So here's my 2.5 cups of water. Go ahead and start giving that a nice little stir. And yes, some flour did jump out of the bag or a bowl. Never said I was a good chef, by any means. After a few quick turns of that, go ahead and add your peanut butter. And plop. Then all you do is continue to mix it on in. So if you're anything like me, sometimes you get a little impatient and instead of using a big spoon to try to get everything all done, you will use your hands. And well, that's what we did here. So, as we can see, just looks like normal everyday dough in ways. So next step is we're going to go ahead and throw a little flour onto the counter here, which as you can see I kind of did that, just didn't mean to do it there. And we're going to do a little kneading. Okay, so I know that there's a lot of people that do bread and all that stuff who's probably a lot better at this than me. So, kneading has never been by far one of my strong suits, and I know I'm probably doing this wrong. But, well, I've been doing these treats for a little while, and it seems to work on out pretty nicely. So, for those of you who actually do this, well, a lot more than me, please, be nice. So what do you think? Think I could pass that off as a loaf of bread? Probably not. But, well, not gonna lie, it would be sort of comical. Alright, next step. We're gonna take our rolling pin and we're gonna roll this till it's about ½ inch thick. Okay, well, I just got done rolling it out to about ½ inch thick. Now, what I do is I take just a regular everyday pizza cutter here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to slice right down the center here. Take one piece, bring it on up, and plop it right down on the cutting board. Get this one moved out of the way. So now, what we're going to end up doing is just taking our pizza cutter and just making little strips. Trying to keep them even. Right? So after we do one way, we're going to go the other. Now granted, you could use a cookie cutter if you wanted to, but this works for me. And as you can see, we have pretty nice looking dog treats there. So I'm going to finish up this other half and show you what's next then. Alright, so we got tray number 1, tray number 2 of homemade dog treats. For me, with this recipe, I always use like 1.5 cookie sheets, but oh well. So, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Let's throw these in, get them done. Get them in there. Timer. They gotta sit for 45 minutes in there. Then after that, they need to pretty much stay in the oven for another 2 hours. Granted, you have the oven off, but that just gives it the process of hardening and whatnot. So, what can we do for 2 hours and 45 minutes? Well, I guess they're done. Okay, timer's up. It's been 2 hours, 45 minutes. Let's see how they turned out. What the? Check that out. Yeah, hey. They're already in Tupperware and everything. Wow. That is pure out. Awesome. Okay, or I had to do dinner and sort of had to throw these in here and I didn't have my camera. Either way. Show you how they actually look. You'll notice that some of them a little brown, a little burnt, but good consistency. And I'll tell you this, these do not last long with my dogs. So, time for the taste test. Okay, now time for the true taste test with these two monsters. I know. Okay, ready? Sit. Abby, sit. Good girl. Oh, you did not sit. Hey, you got yours right there. Right there. Yeah, whatever he has, she wants, and vice versa. But, yep, they're cute and lovable, I guess. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one. Say bye. Say bye.